just in case. All right, we can do this. We got time. Camera's rolling. We got this. Books, you are not allowed to fall. Not on my watch. Not again. Again. You're not allowed to fall. Again. Oh yeah. Again. They're starting to get on my nerves too. I'm like, you will not get the best of me, books. Me too. My fury is like strong. Let's just tilt the first. Let's just grab them and we'll just tilt this one. Yeah. Do you want to go get them? Want to gather everybody?
Hey, can I just?
Yeah, but first we gotta grab them. Then you can record it. Yeah, I give up. Oh, we're so close. So book dominoes is harder than you might think. Who would have thought? It was such a good idea. We'll try it again another time. We're just gonna tilt the rest. That's Miss Mallika and Miss Gina. We're about to tilt the rest of the books because I'm recording this because we are low on time and they decided to tilt themselves. All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, you could be the one to push it. Go for it.
Not that I haven't pushed it already.
All right. 1, 2, 3. It would have been more impressive if that loop hadn't fallen down, but that is our book dominoes. And it was really fun. And I'm Miss Becca, and this is Miss Mallika, and we had some good teamwork, learning about physics and dominoes, and we learned that Penguin Team made it look a lot easier in their video than it first appears. And now we're gonna start shelving them all.